me again, Dhaizy Bhonz. This time, we're going to tackle about simplifying exponents. Yes guys, balik muna tayo sa mathematical tutorials. And it's all about exponents. And we'll start from positive exponents muna. And later, i-jump tayo sa negative exponents. So, positive muna tayo ngayon. For example, number 1 ay meron tayong halimbawa, 5 raised to 4. Yan. So, start tayo sa simple. At kapag ganito ang problem, guys, ibig sabihin lamang nito, itong 5 ang ating base at itong 4 ang ating exponent. So, paano to i-simplify? 5 raised to 4 is, you have to multiply 5 4 times. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So, 4 times mo siyang i-multiply sa sarili niya, which is 5 times 5 is 25. And then, 25 times 5 is 125. Then, 125 times 5 is 625. Now, 625 ay ang 5 raised to 4. Ganyan kasimple, guys. Pangalawa, halimbawa naman ay meron tayong negative na base. Oh. For example, negative 2 raised to 2 or negative 2 squared. Nasisinok ako, I'm sorry. Negative 2 raised to 2. Take note guys, ng ating negative sign ay naka-enclose siya sa ating base. So, multiply negative 2 times negative 2. 2 times natin siyang i-multiply sa sarili niya dahil meron tayong exponent 2. Now, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Why positive 4? Because negative times negative is positive and 2 times 2 is 4. Pangatlo, halimbawa naman ay ganitong problem. Nakalabas si negative sign and 6 squared. Halimbawa, ganyan. Unlike sa number 2, ay naka-enclose sa base ang ating negative sign. And dito is nakalabas si negative sign. Pag ganito guys, just simply copy the negative sign and then multiply the base 2 times. So, 6 times 6. Right? And then, copy again that negative sign, and 6 times 6 is 36. As simple as that. Negative 6 squared is negative 36. Number 4. Ganito naman halimbawa. Negative of negative 8 raised to 4. There guys. I'm sorry kung nagbo-blur ang ating camera. Ayan. And pasensya na sa aking pangit na handwritten kasi nasanay si host ng Chinese, Chinese na panulat. Ayan. Gaya din sa number 3 is nakalabas si negative sign. So, kinopya natin si negative sign and then ayan, ganyan din gagawin natin sa number 4. Just copy the negative sign and then multiply negative 8 ng 4 na beses. Dahil ang ating exponent is 4. So, negative of negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8 times negative 8. 4 na beses. Copy again that negative and then negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64. Why positive? Because multiplying both negative is positive. And 8 times 8 is 64. Now, positive 64 times negative 8 is 512 negative. Why negative? Because multiplying positive to negative is negative. Now, negative 512 times negative 8 is positive 4,096. Now, negative, copy that negative sign, okay, and then 4,096 ang negative of negative 8 raised to 4. Ganon kasimple. Number 5, example, ay gaya lang din yan. Halimbawa, yung nakalabas yung negative sign. Ayan. So, another example, negative of negative 5 raised to 4 ulit. Halimbawa. Ayan, ganyan. Now, copy ulit natin si negative sign and then multiply negative 5 ng 4 na beses. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. 4 times. And then copy again that negative sign. And simply multiply negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Now, positive 25 times negative 5 is negative 125. Negative cause positive and negative. So, negative 125 times negative 5 is positive 625. So, 625, kopyahin natin si negative sign. Ayan, ang negative of negative 5 raised to 4. Ganyan, guys. Now, sa ating pang-anim na example, jump tayo sa negative exponents. Yan, just like what I've said before. Kung dito sa ating 5 halimbawa ay puro positive ang mga exponents. Ngayon naman ay gagawin naman nating negative. And pagdating sa negative exponents, guys, ay meron tayong tinatawag na negative law of exponent, which is x raised to negative n equals 1 over x, and the opposite of the exponent negative n is positive n. Ganyan, guys. Now, halimbawa, okay, our 6th example. Halimbawa, meron tayong, simula tayo sa simple, 4 raised to negative 1. Okay. Now, following that negative law of exponent, 1 over our base, which is 4, raised to the opposite of the exponent negative 1 is positive 1. Ngayon, 4 raised to negative 1 is 1 over 4 raised to 1, or simply 1/4. Because we don't have to put that exponent 1. Yan. Understood? 1. 7th example. For example, we have this negative base. Okay, negative 3. And then the exponent negative 3. Yan. Now, following again the negative law of exponent, 1 over negative 3, ang ating base, raised to the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. And copy 1 over negative 3, multiply it 3 times. Negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. So, copy again, 1, and negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So, negative 27. 1 over negative 27, or simply 1, and copy that negative sign, ilagay sa gitna, over 27. As simple as that. Yan. Another example. Number 8, negative 4 raised to negative 3 equals to, following the negative law of exponent, 1 over, copy that negative sign, yan, dahil ang ating negative sign na hindi naka-enclose sa ating base. Now, over 4 raised to the opposite of the exponent negative 3, positive 3. Then, copy again that negative sign and 1 over, multiply 4 thrice. So, 4 times 4 times 4. And then, copy again that negative sign, 1 over 4 times 4 is 16. And then, 16 times 4 is 64. So, over 64. That's it. Negative 1 over 64. Our 9th example. Halimbawa naman ay nakalabas uli si negative sign, negative of negative 8 raised to negative 2. Following the negative law of exponent 1 over, copy that negative sign and then multiply negative 8 twice because we have that exponent 2, negative 8. And then the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. Copy that negative sign and then 1 over negative 8 times negative 8. And then copy again that negative sign, 1 over negative 8 times negative 8 is positive 64. Yan. For our last example, halimbawa ay negative of negative 5 raised to negative 4. Okay. Negative of negative 5 raised to negative 4. Following the negative law of exponent, 1 over, then, yung nakalabas na negative sign, ilagay sa gitna, and then, negative 5 raised to the opposite of the exponent, 4, positive 4. And then, copy that negative sign again, 1 over, multiply our base, negative 5, 4 times, because we have exponent 4. So, negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5. And then, copy again that negative sign and 1 over negative 5 times negative 5. 25 times negative 5 is 125. Negative. Now, negative 125 times negative 5 is positive 625. So, 625. As simple as that, ang pagkakasimplify ng negative of negative 5 raised to negative 4 is negative 1 over 625. Ayon. Yes guys, ganyan kasimple on how to simplify exponents, both positive and negative exponents. So if you have some questions or suggestions guys, just leave a comment down below or simply click my personal Facebook account stated on the description of this video. Thank you guys for always supporting my vlogs, especially my tutorials. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, healthy, happy, mentally and emotionally, especially spiritually. Stay safe. Bye-bye.